a funny thing happened on the way to making this video. As you can see, the tiny house has been dried in, and it's moved from the boatyard back to just outside my shop. And well, there were plenty of times I was going to do some updates along the way and show various stages of construction, but it seems that a lot of the viewers seem to have lost interest in the project, and consequently I kind of lost interest in setting up the camera and doing all the editing and filming. And I did have some video clips of the trailer being moved, being towed from the boatyard and put into position, but that was done on an iPhone, and transferring it to a PC, an old PC by the way, it wouldn't play, and I found a plug-in that worked so I could play it back. But then when I tried using it on my ancient editing software, well, it wouldn't work on that. So we had to forego that, the actual video, the trailer going down the road. Anyway, here is a slideshow showing various points of construction leading to the point of where we are now. For those of you that are still interested, I hope you enjoy it.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is